Hello everyone and welcome to Master Your Money, the True Potential YouTube channel series that answers the most searched for queries about your personal finances. Today we are going to discuss investing in stocks and how you can do more with your money by investing in a diversified portfolio of assets. Before we begin, please consider subscribing to our channel. All you need to do is click on the subscribe button below, and if you press the notification bell, you'll also be notified when we release future videos in the series. Today I'm joined by John, and we are going to talk about investing in stocks. Hi John.
Hi Simon.
Let's start with the basics. What is a stock and why do people invest in stocks?
So a stock is a small part of the ownership of a company. The owner of a share owns part of that company's stock, and people generally invest in stock with the aim of that company increasing in value over time, so that when they come to sell that stock, they make a profit on their investment.
So, for example, if I'd invested in Netflix stock 10 years ago, I'd be happy today with the value of my stock having doubled in value many times over.
That's right, but what you've said also highlights how investing in stocks isn't really that simple. In 2011, how would you have known Netflix would become the media giant it is today? Look at it another way with a different stock, for example Nokia. That type of mobile phone was very popular in the early 2000s and the stock price was riding high. Then the iPhone came along and the stock value declined significantly. You never know what the future holds when investing in individual stocks, and you can never see what could be just around the corner. When investing in stocks, your capital is at risk and past performance isn't a guide to future performance.
Right, so you've highlighted that picking winners and losers is really quite difficult. You're right. What may look like a great investment can suddenly see you losing your money. So that's why they say individual stock investing is a bit like putting all your eggs in one basket. A bit of a risky business when an unforeseen bump turns up.
Exactly. Whether it's a technological change, a cultural change, or even what we've seen recently with a pandemic, you're always exposed to greater risk when invested in individual stocks.
So even though investing in stocks is relatively straightforward through the online broker or even an app these days, is it something that is best left to the experts?
That's right. There's an influx of people promoting things like trading in currency and complex investments as a way to get rich quick. But the reality can be very different. Investing in a diversified portfolio of industries, asset types and geographic areas makes more sense. In other words, putting your eggs across several baskets. This is known as diversification. At True Potential, we use over 200,000 holdings across our portfolios, and there's no way for an individual to replicate that, and our investment managers are world class.
And this type of diversified investing into a portfolio is just as easy as individual share buying?
Yes. Whether it's through a stocks and shares ISA or a pension, you can easily invest into portfolios which match your attitude to risk. At True Potential, you can invest from just £1 through Impulse Save in the True Potential Investor app. True Potential portfolios benefit from advanced diversification. Rather than following a single strategy, we blend multi-asset strategies from a range of fund managers into what we believe is the best position for our clients' money.
So in a way, people are still investing in stocks, owning small parts of the likes of Amazon or Netflix, but in a way where the money is spread across all sorts of stock types to ensure volatility in one sector could be balanced from another sector?
That's right, and with this investment type, it isn't just stocks. You'll also be invested in other asset types such as bonds. The end result is that your investment risk is spread. Your eggs aren't all in one basket in the way they would be with individual share dealing. Leave that to an expert.
Does all that expertise make it more expensive to own a diversified portfolio?
Not at all. In fact, share dealing accounts often have a cost per trade, whereas portfolio usually has an annual fee that's a small percentage of your investment. For our True Potential portfolios, that's around 0.8% per year. Plus, you can get started from just £1, so there's really no financial barrier to entry.
What we've learned today is that investing in stocks is easy, but isn't necessarily the smartest way to do more with your money. Stock picking can leave you exposed. Just look at 2020 when airline stocks crashed. In contrast, diversified investors have multiple assets in their portfolio, so a drop in, say, airline stocks may have been balanced by a jump in tech stocks such as Zoom. Think about your goals and reasons for wanting to invest. A monthly direct debit into a diversified portfolio could be the best way to reach your long-term goals, perhaps via a stocks and shares ISA, or for goals like a retirement, investing in a pension. To learn more about personal finance, subscribe to our True Potential YouTube channel. Press the notification bell and you'll be notified when the next episode of Master Your Money is live. Thanks for watching.